Is Blybit.com a legitimate crypto exchange or just another sketchy platform in a crowded world of digital finance? With growing user complaints and unresolved issues, it's time to take a closer look. But a quick disclaimer before we begin, this video is based on publicly available information, user reviews, and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, Blybit.com presents itself as a next-gen crypto exchange offering features like spot trading, derivatives, staking, and even P2P trading. At first glance, the website looks sleek and professional, but when you dig into real user experiences, the story shifts. On Trustpilot, there are some serious red flags, especially in one-star reviews. Account restrictions after P2P trades. One user shared that their account was locked after a single transaction, even after providing full verification documents and constant back and forth with support. The issue remained unresolved for over 2 weeks. Multiple users mentioned long delays, unhelpful responses, and even being completely ignored by the support team, despite following all procedures and sharing full evidence. Several users also accuse Blybit of using aggressive deposit tactics but making withdrawals nearly impossible, a common hallmark of scam platforms. Also, there are broken promises. One reviewer noted that Blybit publicly promised to resolve a P2P dispute quickly but failed to provide any update or decision after 15 days. Despite repeated follow-ups, but failed to provide any update or decisions after 15 days, despite repeated follow-ups. For the final verdict, while Blybit.com may appear legitimate at a first glance, the overwhelming user complaints, lack of reliable support, and delayed dispute resolutions raise some serious concerns. Until the platform proves it can handle user issues professionally and transparently, we recommend staying away or proceeding with extreme caution. Now, have you tried Blybit? Share your experience in the comments below, and if you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest crypto breakdowns.